Hey guys, it's Brendan Noble, and thank you for checking out Conversion Cartel. This is my newest product, and I just wanted to show you some of the features and things you can do with it. Now, basically, with Conversion Cartel, what I've done is created a suite of tools that will help you increase your conversion rates from the front end all the way to the back end. Now, initially, it was created with the idea of helping product creators and product sellers increase conversions on the back end through some new technology. However, I've also added some things for you on the front end that you can use on any site for anything, as long as it's WordPress. So let's jump right in. The first level of Conversion Cartel is what I like to call the Cartel bar. Now, this can drop right in on your site, and you can add it to any post or page individually, and you can also set a default site-wide. But basically what this does, and I'll show you right now, right here on 3dollar.com, you can go there yourself and view it as well. I'll simply refresh the page so we can see it. And a timed offer bar will come up in the bottom. And as you can see, it kind of slides in smoothly with a multi-layered animation. And it actually counts down, and you can set the seconds that you want to count this down, and you can set all this content here as well. Once the time's up, it slides down just like that. Now, it's very easy to use because what I've done is I've designed it so that you can use the standard WordPress editor for the content. So let's just show you real quick how easy it is. Let's say I wanted to change this to something from limited time offer. Just want to change it to better hurry. And of course, you can set your links and everything like that in here, just like you would anything else. If you wanted to set that as a link, so on and so forth. And then let's say that we want to go ahead and change the color. We can do that here as well. Just simply select the color that we want to change that to. I don't know how this is going to look, but we'll see. And go ahead and click Update. And now, when we refresh the page, we're going to see the changes that we've made. So the bar slides up. As you can see, our text is now the background is the color we chose, and the text has changed here. So basically, you can very simply build your own bars with your own content, your own timer, and your own color. And it's easy as basically making a post right on WordPress. Also, keep in mind you can always change the color of any of the text here using the WordPress editor, so if you want to change it, you can do that to help match your background. Now, the second level of Conversion Cartel is also for anyone. However, it really has impact if you are a product seller. This is called the pressurizer. And what it does is it makes a one-time offer truly a one-time offer. Now, keep in mind, a one-time offer is pretty generic. I mean, it doesn't have to be for product sellers. You don't have to be selling a WSO or something for this to be useful. If you have an e-commerce site, you can direct users to a page where they have a certain amount of time to complete the offer. And if they don't, they won't be able to get back to it. Again, it's a one-time offer. Okay, so this really makes the user need to complete that offer in that amount of time, and the urgency is through the roof with these types of offers. Now, I want to show you what this looks like on the page. When a user loads your one-time offer page, they're going to see a timer similar to the one you saw on the Cartel bar before. You can set this one up to 60 minutes. And depending on the length of your content, I would usually suggest something between 2 and 5 minutes. But you'll be able to set that, and then what happens is it will start to count down. As you see, I have this one set to 35 seconds, but once it hits 30 seconds, it will warn them saying, you better hurry up, time's running out. This is basically just to draw attention back to the timer saying, hey, you get 30 seconds left to make your decision. So this will continue to time out, and basically urgency is just building. This thing's counting down, counting down, counting down. And if they don't take that offer in that given time frame, they're going to be redirected away from it. Now, you can also offer a second chance alert, which comes up once the timer runs out, and that looks like this. Okay, this says last chance. You will not be able to access this offer again once you leave. So you can click OK to claim the offer or cancel to leave forever. Now, the way this works is you set up a success URL or a checkout URL in the back end on WordPress admin, so that if they click OK, it goes straight to whatever your checkout page is. If you hit cancel, basically that would normally be your no thanks link or something like that if you're using a funnel through Warrior Plus or JVZoo. However, you can of course set it to whatever you want. Let's say you had this load as the first page on your site, or you sent users to this from an email. You could basically just set the cancel to the home page. They can come here, see the offer. If they don't want to take it, that's fine. If they hit cancel, it will go to the home page. So basically, let's just go ahead and hit cancel, and this is going to take us away from the page, and we will not be able to return. As you can see, it's taken to this page. Now, this is just a page I threw together as an example. You set the URL to whatever you want, and you can, of course, design this page however you want as well. And, it could be yahoo.com, it could be google.com, it could be a different page on your site. That's not really important. The basic thing here is that you are directing them away from the offer if they choose not to take it. If this was if you set it to your no thanks URL that you would get from JVZoo or Warrior Plus, this would actually take them to the next level product in your funnel, whatever the downsell was. Okay. Now, what's really great about this is that, as I said, if they leave the page, they won't be able to come back. And I'll show you what I mean. If they go to it, it redirects them to a different URL that you can set. Okay, this particular one, I just set it up. It says, hey, looks like you missed out on the one-time offer, but you can still buy it here at the regular price. So they can go there and then purchase it at the regular price. So basically that allows you to still save the sale if they come back later. You could even offer them a 25% discount instead of a 50% discount if they missed the first time offer, etc. But at this point, they know you mean business, and they're really going to need to take that offer now if they want it. Okay. Now, the next level of conversion cartel is something that nobody has ever done before. This is kind of another take on the dime sale, and just like making the one-time offer actually a one-time offer and making it useful as it was intended, I've done the same thing with the dime sale. So let me show you exactly how that works. Now, the dime sale is meant to create urgency, similar to what we use with the timer, but by showing the price raise. Now, the problem with the dime sale is, if they sit on that page, they're not going to know that the price is going up. They're not going to know that the availability is going down unless they actually refresh the page or leave and come back later. So what that means is, one, it could be fake, okay, because you could easily just put a thing up that says, hey, there's only 3 left, and people do that all the time. But what if you could have a dime sale that actually says, oh, there's only 3 left. Oh, there's only 1 left. And that's what dime sale domination does. It also shows the price raising. Hey, there's 3 left at $10.80. Hey, there's 1 left at $10.80. Oh, there's 3 left at $10.85, and so on and so forth. This really invokes urgency in the user, because every time they look at that buy button, oh, look, there's less left. Oh, look, the price has gone up. Okay, this is something that's really going to change the game on dime sales, and it's going to be most effective, obviously, when you first launch a product. As people continue to buy quickly, that's going to mirror through to your sales page, and it's going to create that urgency. It's going to steamroll that urgency so that your users can see this is a popular product, people are buying it, so that's social proof, and the urgency level is literally insane. I tested both of the last 2 levels of conversion cartel on a very limited basis with Sore Thumb. But what I saw was over a 90% conversion rate when testing these tools. Now, the funnel already was great. It converted on average at about 50%, which is actually quite high for an OTO. And I really wanted to see if I could do better, because I had been using similar tools to this. They just weren't really integrated into WordPress. It was something that I built that was kind of one-off that I drop into a page, and I said, you know what, I can do better than 50%. I dropped these in, tested it out, and truly the results are amazing. You're going to see huge EPCs if you're a product creator. With things like dime sale domination and the pressurizer, you're going to see more conversions on your one-time offers, whether it's, say, free shipping on your e-commerce site, or put in your email now to get this special report. It's only available for the next 5 minutes. You're going to see those things skyrocket. I hope that you can see the value here, and if you have any questions for me, please feel free to drop the question down in the thread. I'll be able to get back with you immediately, and hope you enjoy. Thanks, guys.